Today I'm gonna make a melt in your mouth recipe from the Mughal era. I'm gonna make Malai chicken kebab. So let's start cooking. To start with the recipe, first I have taken minced chicken in a bowl. In that, I'm gonna add finely chopped onion. And next I'm gonna add in ginger garlic paste, chopped green chilies, some freshly chopped coriander. For seasoning, first I'm gonna add turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, some garam masala and salt. After adding all the spices, I'm going to start mixing the chicken with the spices. After mixing the chicken properly, now I'm going to add in 1 egg and with that fresh breadcrumbs. The reason for adding egg and breadcrumbs in the kebab mixture is that they act as a good binding agent for the kebab. And as the mixture is ready, I'm going to add little oil to the mixture. To start the kebab process, first wet your hands in the water. Take little bit of kebab mixture, roll it up into a ball and flatten it up into a nice fine tikki. So guys, the tikkis are ready. Let's start frying them. Switch on the gas. Add little oil. With that also I'm going to add in little ghee. As the oil starts heating up, I'm going to put the gas on medium heat. And with that, I'll start placing the tikkis. After cooking the tikki for a few minutes on one side, I'm going to turn the side. As you can see the nice golden color coming on it. Once the kebab is ready, I'm going to switch off the gas, remove all the kebabs into the plate. And we're done with the last tikki. And now I'm going to remove all the oil. And I'll use the same pan again. Switch on the gas on a low flame. In that, I'm going to add some sour cream. To that, I'm going to add some garam masala, red chili powder and chopped coriander. You guys might be wondering why are we doing this? It will not only give a nice malai finish to the kebab, but it will also keep the kebab juicy and tender. So once cooking it for 1 minute on one side, I'm going to turn the side. The kebabs are ready to go. Let's start plating them. And finally garnish it with fresh coriander. There you go guys, our malai chicken kebab is now ready. You too do try this sizzling, delicious melt in your mouth kebab recipe and do let me know how it turned out. But before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Get Curry.